us how you did that? I didn't do anything. All I did was pick up the sword and then whoosh, I'm in a tiara.
We just have to make sure she never does it again!
Do it again! Do it again! Glimmer and I already... It could be a...
For the last time, where is Adora?
For the last time, I don't know. You think I keep her on a leash?
Meanwhile...
Honor of Grayskull!
Failed to condition her properly. You have no one but yourself to blame.
But my lord!
Breeding me for this day!
Only one I can trust. I've missed you, my child.
We're past that. Try again.
Finally!
Just looking for a reason to serve up a little payback!
It's too risky.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye. A lesson from this. This is what happens to failures.
You're the failure. Glimmer! I'm fine. Where's Adora?
I didn't know being a princess was contagious.
Okay, everyone, calm down!
Parties! I mean, yeah, of course. I don't know what that is.
Did you even hear what I just
Don't panic.
What?
Friend Squad is having a pillow fight!
Yeah, we're not calling ourselves that.
I prefer the Glimmer group.
Nah.
With Shera, we can conquer anything.
And we're also gonna need a boat.
With Shera and a boat, we can conquer anything.
And an experienced sea captain? Put him in the dirt!
This is so dumb.
Sonic Arrow!
When will we ever need a sonic arrow? If we have to, like, wake up really early? Or if we get separated in a crowd?
Separated in a crowd. I bet Entrapta will like my arrows. We need to be as quiet as...
The All-Princess Ball, Winter Wonderland. Do you know what this is?
Princess Prom!
Prom! Princess Prom! We are going to Princess Prom!
Okay, well, you've gone crazy. Got it. I'll just come back later.
Friend Squad in action! Right, Bo?
I'm going with Perfuma.
What?
There you are, Glimmer. Are you feeling better?
Girl, recharge in private? Anyway, we're just leaving. Bye!
Popular opinion? Don't point a sword directly at our friend.
Maybe it's like a motion. Like a
Like a jabbing motion or a strike? You want to get hit with a sword?